Hi guys, today I want to give you a quick update on my project motorcycle. I figured one thing out. I got a spark now. The problem was at daytime I couldn't really see it, so I waited till the darkness, got a spark plug out, fired it up, and it had a spark. But the gap was totally set wrong from the spark plug. That's why I couldn't see it at day. So I adjusted the gap on all 4 spark plugs, and that problem was solved. But I still didn't have any fuel, which is kind of like weird, because that bike doesn't have any fuel pump, injectors, nothing. It's just the fuel comes from the tank, gravity pulls it down into the carburetor, and then when the engine turns, the vacuum sucks it into the chamber. So that was kind of like a weird part to me. And what got me the most, every time I tried to start the engine, the starter was spinning, but it doesn't sound quite right to me. It sounded like the starter was just spinning by itself. There was nothing on it, because you can hear when you turn the starter, but it was just going. So I decided to take the valve cap off, the valve cover, and absolutely disaster stroke. Let me show you what I mean. So this is the bike with the valve cover off, and when you look inside, right here, you can see the tensioner here for that chain, which is perfectly okay. But then that sprocket, there's nothing on there. And what I found, that is the main timing chain. And what I found on there was this. Broken timing chain. If you can see right there and right here, it's broken there and there. The chain is kind of like, I've never seen a chain like that. It's just very thin, small metal. I don't know how that's gonna hold. And it really didn't, because that bike has only 30,000 miles on it. So, and this is really bad news, because I have to take the engine out, open up the crankcase to get that chain on there. It's a major project I didn't expect it to do, and I'm still thinking if it's worth it or not. What do you think? Leave me a line in the comments down there. But that's where I'm at right now. I could take the engine out, but then on the other hand, the engine by itself, it's like 200 pounds. And going through all this, I don't know. I really don't. I'm thinking about it and see what I can do. But that's what it is right now. The sprockets, everything looks great. They look fine. The other chain is okay. How that one could break, I have no idea. Because when Honda start building those motorcycles, they were built for races. So they made motorcycle races with it. I have no idea how a chain like that can survive that. So everything else I was thinking about, carburetors, whatever, the electric, I figured out everything with the electric was good. All that was just a ghost chase. There's nothing wrong with that. That was the main problem, or is the main problem right there. I looked up on the internet all the manuals. I couldn't find one that explains how to replace those chains. If somebody of you has a clue or knows anything about it, please leave me a line down there. It would be highly appreciated. Okay guys, that's my update for now. I let you know what I decide, what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching. See you next time.